Bunny, did you have a good day yesterday? Yes, Daddy, but I get confused. Was or where? Let's learn was and where together. Was is used with I, he, she, it and singular nouns. In the first tense, examples: I was happy yesterday. He was a good boy. She was my friend. It was a sunny day. The dog was very loyal. The book was interesting. My sister was at home. I first person singular. He singular. She singular. It, dog, book, sister all are singular nouns. So we used was with them. Let's see where and its use. Where is used with you, we, they and plural nouns. In the past tense, examples: you were at the market yesterday. We were very happy. They were playing in the park. The children were in the classroom. My friends were at my birthday party. The books were on the table. Those girls were singing a song. These all nouns are plural, so we used were with them. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share and subscribe my channel and watch my shorts for more interesting English stories that helps you learn English through conversation.